Good morning, students. Today, the new topic we are going to take for the real numbers is LCM and HCF. This LCM and HCF is least common multiple or highest common factor. Anything you can take. LCM, LCF, anything you can take. Now, we'll take simple examples, and with that we'll find one formula. The formula first I'm going to tell you. If A and B are two numbers, so LCM of AB into HCF of AB is equal to product of two numbers. We'll see this. First, we'll take solved example 6 of this topic. Solved example. You can refer, this is page 10. The number is question is find LCM and HCF of 6 and 20 and verify. We'll take out prime factors. 6 is 2 into 3 and 20 2 into 2 into 5. First, every time you are supposed to take the HCF. HCF means common to both. This is 2. Now, for LCM, what you are supposed to do is, first you are supposed to take that HCF and all the remaining numbers. In 6 is 3, in 20, 2 and 5. You multiply 10, 30 and 60. Now we'll verify that. To verify, LCM of 6, 20 into HCF of 6, 20 is equal to 6 into 20. So consider LHS. LCM of 620 into HCF of 620. What was LCM of 6 and 20? 60. And this is 2. That is 120. You will take as equation 1. Consider RHS. What is RHS? 6 into 20. That is 120. From equation 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verified. Now, we'll go for next question. That is 7th question. 7th question is, we are supposed to find HCF of 96 and 404, and by this method we are supposed to find the LCM. So first I am going to teach HCF and LCM and we'll verify the method, and then we'll see whatever is given in solved example 7. First, the two numbers we'll take as 96 and 404. First I am going to take factors. 96 factors. You can take out factors by any method. I am writing directly. You can verify this. I'll show you one verification. Rest you can do. 2, 2, 2, 6, Every time I am not going to tell this, you can verify by your own. 404 is 2 into 2 into 101. First we'll take out HCF. Every time first we are supposed to take out HCF. See, here 2 common, here 2 common. 2 into 2, that is 4. For LCM, first we are supposed to take that 4 and the remaining. Here 3 times 2 into 3, here 101. We'll multiply these numbers. You'll get 9696. So, we'll verify our thing, that LCM of 96404 into HCF of 96404 is equal to product of two numbers. That is 96 into 404. Consider LHS. What is LHS? LCM of 96404, how much it was? 9696 into HCF was 4. This comes to 38784. Consider RHS. 96 into 404, that is 38784. But the question in solved example 7, here you can say, here take 1 and this 2, from 1 and 2 LHS is equal to RHS. But the question mentioned in solved example 7 is different. We'll do that first. What is given in? Find HCF of 96 and 404 by prime factorization method, and then you are supposed to find LCM. Okay. So again, same thing, factors will see 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 and 404 2 into 2 into 101. So we'll take out first HCF. What will be HCF? Common 2, that is 4. You got this as 4. But we are supposed to find out LCM. So we'll write that formula. LCM of 96404 into HCF of 96404 is equal to product of two numbers. Now we are supposed to find out 96404 is equal to what it will be? 96 into 404 upon HCF of 96 and 404. So this is 96 into 404 upon, what was the HCF? 4. You can divide, after dividing you will get 9696. See, this was our LCM in the previous problem. Now, this were for two numbers. Now we'll take one example, solve example 8 for three numbers. It is little different, but here this formula will not be suitable. Now we are supposed to find out HCF and LCM of numbers 6, 72 and 120. So normally we'll find out all the factors. It should be prime factors. 6, 2 into 3. Then 72. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Third, 120. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. You can verify this. First, again HCF you are supposed to find out. For HCF, that number should be present in all the three. Here you can find 2, 2, 2. So take 1, 2. And 3, 3, 3. You can take 1, 3. So I think this comes to 6. But for LCM, like HCF, we have taken in normal for 2 numbers, we have taken all the numbers, but for LCM, it is little different. See here. For LCM, first thing you'll take this 6. Now, see what I am doing. Here, for 2 places also, if it is there, you are supposed to take as 1. Only 1, 2. Again, you can see here, common, you can do 2. Now, you are supposed to take only 1 time in LCM for 3 numbers. And in 72, what is left? 3. And in 120, what is left? 5. We'll multiply these numbers. 15, 30, 60, 63, 60. So, HCF is 6 and LCM is 360. Once again, I'm going to explain this problem. See, this is for 3 numbers, 6, 72 and 120. You have taken the factors. First, you'll see, you should get the numbers same in all the 3. 2, 2, 2, you have taken 1 time 2. 3, 3, 3, you have taken 1 time 3. That comes to 6. But for LCM, first you'll take that HCF, but you should see if the number is present in 2 way. Here also 2, here also 2. For this, put it in brackets so that you can understand. These 2, only 1, 2. These 2, only 1, 2. Then what is remaining? This 3 already went with the common one. This 3 and this 5. This comes to 360. So HCF is 6 and LCM is 360. Now, but this formula will not be suitable for 3 numbers. Now, first we'll go for exercise 1.2. I'll solve all the problem related to this, then we'll do the remaining one. Question number 1, what is? Find prime factors. You are simply supposed to find prime factor. It is very simple. So you can also do, it is very simple, 2 into 2 into 5 into 7, second 156, 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. You can verify also if it is true or wrong. 3825, 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17, 5005. That comes to 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. And the last 7429, it is 17 into 19 into 23. It is very simple. You can find out the prime factors. Now, question number 2. Find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that HCF into HCF is equal to product of 2 numbers. Just we have taken in solved example. Same way we are supposed to do here. First number is 26. The second number is 91. What is 26? 2 into 13. 91. 7 into 13. Here. First you will find HCF. HCF is common 13. LCM common first, and here is 2, here is 7. This comes to 182. Now, we'll apply that formula. LCM of 26, 91 into HCF of 26, 91 is equal to product of 2 numbers. So, consider LHS. So, LCM of 26, 91 into HCF of 26, 91. What is LCM of 26, 91? 182. And this is what? How much? It is 13. If you are going to multiply this, you will get 2366. Now, take this as equation 1. Consider RHS. What is RHS? 26 into 91. Same method. From 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, it is verified. We'll take second example. What is second example? 510 and 92. Same method, no changes. First prime factors we'll find out. 510, 2 into 3 into 5 into 17, and the other number is 92. 2 into 2 into 23. So, we'll take out first HCF. 2 is common. Now LCM. What I told you, first we'll take this HCF. What are remaining? 3 into 5 into 17, and here 2 into 23. What will be after multiplying? You'll get 2, 3, 4, 6, 0. Now we'll take the formula. LCM of 510, 92 into HCF of 510, 92 is equal to product of 510, 92. Now we'll consider LHS. If it is to be verified, always we are supposed to take first consider LHS, then RHS. LCM of 510, 92 into HCF of 510, 92. What this is? This was 23460 into 2. This is equation 1. Consider RHS. 510 into 92. This comes to 23460. Sorry. This comes to 46920. This is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. We'll go for third problem. What is third problem? Three, 3, 6 and what is that number? 54. Now we'll go for 3, 3, 6. Normal factors. 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times 2 into 3 into 7. The other number is 54. 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. I'll write this here again because 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times 3 into 7. First we'll find out HCF. 1, 2, then this 3. This is equal 6. Now we'll go for LCM. I told you we'll take HCF. Remaining is 3, this 3, this 2, 1, 2, 3 times, and that is 7. So this will come to how much? We'll multiply 3024. Now we'll take that formula. LCM of 33654 into HCF of 33654 is equal to 336 into 54. Consider LHS. LCM of 33654 into HCF of 33654. This is how much? 3024 into 6. This comes to 24. Right. Now we'll take the formula. Now this is equation 1. Consider RHS. 336 into 54. This comes to 1844. This is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Now we'll go for exercise 1.2, third question. Find HCF and LCM of three numbers. First number is 12, 15 and 21. It's very simple. 2 into 2 into 3, then 15, 3 into 5 and 21, 3 into 7. First we'll find out HCF. You'll find 3 common, so HCF is 3. LCM. First we'll take 3. Can you see any other thing common like this? You should not take like this. It should be like this. So you cannot take these 2 as 1, 2. This is not possible. So you are supposed to take that 2 and 5 into 7. This comes to 420. We'll multiply once. Yes, this comes to 420. Now we'll take second question. What is second question? 17, 23 and 29. You can see these all are prime factors, prime numbers. So prime numbers means 1 into 17, 1 into 23, 1 into 29. HCF 1, 1, 1. HCF is 1 and LCM will be 17 into 23 into 29. This comes to 11339. But in these problems, you are not supposed to verify with that thing. LCM into HCF is equal to product. That is not possible in this. Now the third number is 8, 9 and 25. 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 9 you will take 3 into 3 and 25 you will take 5 into 5. First we'll find out HCF. Not a single number is common in all the three. See here 2, 5, 2, 3 you cannot. So if it is not common, you are supposed to take 1. Then LCM, all the numbers you are supposed to take. That means 2 into 2 into 2. That's 3 into 3 and 5 into 5. So after multiplying, this comes to 18.